Hello again. We're back to welding helmet. Went to the old big blue, what do you call it? What is it? Teardrop store? I don't know what it is. Big box store. Won't mention. Picked up a set of batteries here. And according to the instructions on the back, I'm supposed to use a pair of scissors to cut them open. Because, you know, that's what people do. Use scissors. And of course, I don't have any at my bench because if I would have prepared for this video, I would have got the scissors out and looked at it and said, hey, let's plan this video out. Instead of just walking away from the camera like I normally do. But thankfully I got scissors way back here and I could talk to you over there. So yeah, basically I'm putting batteries back in my helmet. So yeah, bought a battery for it. Took the helmet apart. See, I don't want to get this dirty. I think what did I do this yesterday? How the hell does this work now? Okay, I popped that out. That out of here. Probably should clean this goddamn thing too. There we go. Put that right there. Pop that open. I'll take said batteries. I was told years ago, I don't know if it's true or not, so don't quote me on this, but when you open up these batteries, you shouldn't touch the top and the bottom at the same time. So, if anybody knows that's true, please let me know. Just drop it in there, drop it like it's hot. Yeah, put that back in there. Frick, get in there. Ooh, look at that. Look at that. Fuck. Watch me put this in. Oh, look at it. It's working. Is that the way it was in there? So, I hope that's the way it was in there. I hope that's the way it was in there. Alright. Extra battery, which will probably be dead by the time I go to use it. This goes back in there. Like, wait a minute. What the hell did I just do here? Did I screw this up? I think I put it in backwards. I think I put it in backwards. Yeah, because this is supposed to be, no. It's supposed to be like that. Yeah. No, it goes in that way. It's in the wrong way. It's in the wrong way. I don't want to put a, oh no, yeah, it goes like that. But this is in the wrong way, yeah. That goes in this way. Yeah, there we go. That goes in that way. This goes in this way. In here, like so. And then we put this in the opposite way. Nope. Nope. How did I screw this up? Really? For frick's sake. Yeah, so that goes down. Wait, this goes in like so. Oh, goes in like that. Maybe if I lift this up. This goes in like... How in the hell does this go in there? I just took it out. I just took the goddamn thing out. Yeah, okay, it's because it's down. So if that goes like that, this goes in like this. Yeah. Maybe I should turn it off and watch the video. Let's clean this shit off here. This is a little dirty. Jesus. You know what? I don't want to play with it. I don't even want to play with the damn thing. I'm just going to screw it up. End up freaking up the video. Not the video, screwing up the goddamn lens. There we go. See, it's all installed now. Now let's give it a quickie testy here. Quickie testy! Let's see. Oh, there we go. Can't see anymore. Whoa! There we go. That's just my welding helmet fix. Battery went dead. I almost went blind the other day trying to weld with it. So now I'm going to finish the Kruger gloves. So, but by the time you get this video, the Kruger gloves will be like 6 months behind. So thanks for watching.